Welcome to 60 Rolling Ridge Road in beautiful Holden. The newer deck is large and overlooks the corner level. The three-season porch is bright and airy and has plenty of room for furniture. Come inside and see the open floor plan of the living area with beautiful gleaming hardwood floors and tile throughout the first level. The dining area is open to the kitchen and can easily be converted to a bedroom on this level if you need 3. Modern kitchen awaits you with granite counters and matching black appliances. It is efficient and modern. The bathroom is created to age in place with a beautiful walk-in jetted tub, tile floor, and all of the amenities a bathroom should have. This home offers so much more with a finished lower level that has a utility room and the 3rd bedroom. Ideal situation with a family room and lots of built-in bookshelves and a laundry area with another half bath. Come see this home today before it is gone.